Hi everyone and welcome to Free Range Diva. You know, every fall I roast a couple of pumpkins and then puree the flesh and freeze it in 1 or 2 cup portions to be used later in things like soups and stews, cookies, quick breads, whatever. Well, today it's a cool day, it's cloudy, kind of dreary, so let's make some soup. The ingredients are simple, making this a hearty meal you can prepare in a few minutes. We have half an onion, the biggest carrot I have ever seen in my life, and 12 ounces of homemade pumpkin puree that was frozen and is now thawed. Of course, you can always substitute canned. First, place about a tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and carrot and saute until the onion is soft and beginning to brown. Season with salt and pepper. I'm using white pepper here. Next, add the pumpkin puree and heat through. As you can see, the pumpkin is still a little bit frozen, so I'm making sure to break up the frozen parts. Curry powder goes in next. I bought a new curry powder and decided to try it in this dish. I didn't realize it has cayenne pepper in it, so it gave the dish quite an unexpected kick, but it was still really good. Be sure to check the ingredients in your curry of choice and adjust the pepper you add accordingly. I'm putting in about 1½ teaspoons of the curry powder. Seasoning again, and we'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, add in ½ cup of apple cider and ½ cup of water. Stir, bring back to a gentle simmer. Once it's simmering, add about 1 teaspoon of honey to balance out the heat. Cover and simmer again about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the carrots to completely cook and the seasonings and flavors to come together. After about 10 minutes, check the carrots to make sure they're cooked through. If not, then let it cook for a few more minutes. When the soup is bubbly and thick, you can take it off the heat and puree it. I have a Vitamix blender, but I never use it to puree hot foods because the carafe is plastic. Here I'm using a basic blender with a glass carafe, so there's no worry of chemicals from the plastic leaching into the hot food. If you have a stainless steel immersion blender, that works too. I'm being careful to vent the liquid through the cap on top so the steam won't build up and explode. Then it's ready to serve. Hearty and satisfying, garnished with a few raisins as I've done here, or if you're in a humorous mood. Let me know if you decide to try this soup. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, Subscribe if you'd like to see what's coming next, and check out some of my other food videos here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.